Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to 2066 Avenue. We are now here at the infamous landmark of San Diego, which is the Balboa Park. An amazing day to show a properties like this. This property has been built in 2018 and are now currently listed for just under $1,400,000. Excuse me for the plane, but yeah, let's head inside. Okay, so when we walk inside, there we go. When we walk inside, this is a lobby, staircase, walk you all the way up to the living rooms. And as you can see behind me is this huge window panes that look over to the famous Balboa Park. This is one of the most popular landmark in San Diego, and you get a chance to live right next to it. So right when we walk inside, you can see the clearly difference and the separation between the main doors and the living areas by this simple wall right here. That does all the trick for this house. And yeah, as you can see, this is the living areas. This house actually built in 2018, so pretty new, and list for $1,330,000. We are walking right now into the kitchen areas. Yeah, I love the design right here. It's look very classic and contemporary. Yeah, look at the tile they use here. So this house have, I would say, 3 floors, or you can say 4 floors if you're including the garage floor downstairs, which I'm gonna show you right now. So follow me. Okay, yeah. If you are a resident here, I think this will be mainly your entrance, since you will have to park your car somewhere, right? So it's gonna be this garage. This garage is a 2-car garage. This is the garage entrance. Yeah, very private. And now let's heading upstairs for the main bedroom. Oh, and I forgot to mention behind me is a shoes closet too. But yeah, okay. Have I show you guys the powder room of this house? It's gonna be right here. Oh, automatic light. Yeah, let me take over. There we go. That's me. And ooh, yep, a tiny space, but does the trick. Okay, now let's walk back out here and we go into the second floor of this house. So yeah, this house have 3 main bedroom and 4 bathroom. 3 full bathroom and 1 powder room. As we walk upstairs, the first thing you can notice is this door. This is your laundry, washer dryer. Yeah, and it's gonna located next to an office. Well, they make it an office, but you can always convert this back to a bedroom. Nice space. You have a decent sized closet, actually, very deep inside. And this is the bathroom for the first bedroom right here. Right, perfect. Now follow me inside. So here, one of my favorite features about this house is that most of the primary bedroom have the views. Yeah, it's such a nice thing to have such a scenery, green and park scene in front of your bed when you wake up. Yeah, it's just a very nice thing to have. And plus, every single bedroom here come with a ensuite bathroom, which is very convenient, I would say so. Yeah, this is the bath area. As you can see, very well designed. Look very clean, white. And look at the bathroom. Love the tile here. Now, how about we going upstairs to one final bedroom. Let's go. Okay. This house inspired me and really bringing me the vibe of the young peoples, the people that like a lively life, the people that like to live in a downtown situation but don't really want to deal with all the noises and all the chaos or the traffic in downtown. This is the closest you can be to downtown San Diego. Yeah, this is the final bedroom, which I would say my favorite too, because it's come with a balcony. Coming outside and just enjoying this sunlight right here. What an amazing day to do a house showing, huh? Yeah. Oh, sorry for the plane noise. You can't even see the plane. Oh, you better capture that. I can know, we live in San Diego when you see planes above your head. Yeah. Whew. As I say, this bedroom also have a bathroom, and it's a smaller size, but still better than nothing, right? And that should wrap up my tour for this amazingly designed 3-bed and 4-bath house. As I say, this is listed for $1,330,000. $30,000. Yeah, let me know if you have any question regarding this pricing or address or any other information about this house. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again on the next videos. Thank you. Bye.